Okay, time to start and see what this whole roof eave extension project's going to go like. So I first need to remove the gutter here, at least enough to get started, and then we will go from there. Figure out how our 1x8 is going to go on and how far we're going to come out with it. So that's our starting point. We need to get the water away from the house on this side of the house especially, because I'm pretty sure it's going to cause problems or maybe causing more moisture in the basement already. The water right now is coming off so fast it goes over the eaves trough when it's raining really hard, and then the eaves trough pulls it back onto the house. So not good at all. Okay, let's get started.